So guys, we got some very bad news. This is it. This is the last hookup right here. And yeah, keep on watching.
Bye, Glenwood Springs KOA.
Bye, guys. Stay away.
See you later.
See you later.
Hello.
Hello.
Where are you paid online?
Say hello. Bye, Mammy. Bye.
Shush.
Let's have a laugh. Let's have a laugh.
This goes on your windshield, driver's side down at the bottom. And do you need directions or anything?
Can we get a map? Is there a map? Thank you.
And Silver Crown's just right here on your left.
Okay, go straight or turn left here?
Just keep going, and do you see that brown sign?
Okay.
That's for Silver Crown.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
guys, we just got done boondocking for
Look
like
at this.
3 days, 3 nights.
3 nights. It's been a lot of learning curves. We're trying to we got a generator. We're borrowing a generator just to see how we like it. We figured that we need an inverter and some other things. We're not sure if our batteries are holding charge right now.
So we did it for 3 days. I mean, it's freaking beautiful, but we need power. We borrowed Houston's Buddy's generator, and we really appreciate that, but this life is not, the boondocking life is not for us.
Yet. We just don't have the proper equipment yet.
We want an inverter, and something's up with the batteries. We have solar panels, so if you guys have ever had issues with like batteries and solar panels, and so it just dies in the middle of the night, and we're not quite sure why.
Everything's off. We turn everything's
off, and it just dies.
It just dies. But this is the first time we've boondocked once before,
and it was fine. But we were attached to Houston's truck, so maybe that's the problem. We don't know, but we're moving to a site that has power, so
come along with us. We're trying. We're
excited to have power.
So guys, we're here boondocking, and we've been here for how many days have we been here?
5.
Been here 5 days, and we're currently filling up water. We have 200 feet of hose, just so we don't have to move our rig. I mean, it's kind of a lot with all these kids to pick up and move the rig. So why not just get an extra hose and make it long enough to reach? So we're reaching. As you can see, Carter's over there, and we're making this work.
We're getting somewhere now.
It wasn't going nowhere. It was just
sitting there waiting for it to move.
So this, guys, tell us. We were gonna buy a bladder, but this is a little easier, I think. If you're this close, you might as well take advantage of it. We connected all our hoses, and we're running about 200 feet deep. So this is what we're doing. We're just trying to fill up water, and it's 1/3 full, and I don't know how long it's gonna take us to fill it up with 200 feet of hose. I mean, that had some good pressure, but should we put a pressure regulator on it with this long of a reach? Do you guys think? Let us know in the comments.
Oh, watch it.
Oh, crunchy! Just burnt like marshmallows. Are they good? Babe, good. Marshmallows.
Oh.
guys, so we've been out here 11 days. We've only had power. We've made it work. Don't mind my hair. You see the weather in the back? It's kind of crazy. We're out here making some dinner and just reminiscing that we've been out here 11 days and it's been eventful. We've loved it, every minute of it, even though we have to fill up our water, so we have to hook up and move, and there's a lot to it. It's kind of partially like boondocking. I mean, what would you call this? What would you call this? We just have power. We don't got hookup, we don't got water, we just got power. That's it, thankfully. So Starlink is still running and we're still able to connect with you guys and show you guys what we've been up to the past couple weeks, and keep on watching. Until then, like, subscribe, show all your friends, tell them to keep on watching us. So we have been full timing for about 3 months, a little more than 3 months, I guess now, and it's been nice. It's been coming back. You know, we see things that you know, we just realize how fun it is to be on the road and meet new people and see new things. We've had a blast over the past few months, and yeah, we can't wait to hit the road again.